This spacious American fridge freezer from Leisure is perfect for households looking for a super stylish, low-maintenance model. It's designed by internationally renowned designer Patricia Urquiola and carries her signature style of elegance and innovation. It has an A++ energy rating and a combined capacity of 544 litres. This means it can hold 30 bags of food shopping. This model also has a built-in minibar, which gives you quick and easy access to ice-cold drinks, perfect for when you host dinner parties. This model has Leisure's clever FrostFree technology that prevents icy buildups. It works by using a fan to constantly circulate cold air around the cabinet. This stops ice from forming on the inside of your freezer, meaning you'll never have to spend time manually defrosting again. The water and ice dispenser gives you chilled water and cubed or crushed ice on tap. The fridge freezer connects to your water supply to give you a constant source without having to manually top up a tank inside. So you can easily top up your drinks with ice or help yourself to fresh cold water. If you're looking for a super stylish, low-maintenance model, this American fridge freezer from Leisure is perfect.